एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल प्रियदर्शनी टॉक्स। प्रियदर्शनी टॉक्स में मैं प्रियंका प्रियदर्शनी आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। होप यू आर फाइन एंड फुल ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस। सो टुडे also I have come here to present a haul video with you all. Yes, it's going to be a haul video of handbags. So I have brought this handbag collection from Myntra. So basically this is going to be a two brand haul video, which is Dressberry and Roadster. So I have brought these two bags from these two brands. So let's get started with the video. But no, wait, before starting the video, just make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, do subscribe my channel by pressing the red color subscribe icon right here, and do not forget to press the bell icon too, so that you can remain notified with all the upcoming videos, posts, etc on my channel Priyadarshini Talks. If you like this video, obviously just give it a big fat thumbs up and motivate me. Just share the video between your friends and family. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, the bag which I am going to show you is in a beautiful burgundy color, and the material is PU material of both the bags. So the first bag which I am going to show you is from the brand Dressberry, and it's in the color burgundy. So this is the bag which I am talking about. The material which you are seeing here over this bag is a PU material, which is a synthetic leather. Now you get this type of detailing in the bag. Strawberry detailing is given here, which makes it look more tempting, I must say, and two small detailings are given here, which looks pretty. And now talking about the bag has got very sturdy handle, and at the back side of the bag you get a zip closure, so you can keep your essentials over here, whatever you like. Now talking about the main compartment of the bag, let's open. It has got a zippered compartment. Again, you have got this golden colored zip here. Now when you open the zip, the bag is full of paper, which indeed is very useful. So this is the sling which you get with this bag, and you can actually attach this sling over this and this area and just carry it as a shoulder bag when required. So now talking about the inner space of the bag, now let me take out the papers. Wow, it has got a huge space. The bag looks very compact, very small from outer side, but when talking about the inner space of the bag, it has got a huge space. You can see here, this is the first compartment which you get here. This is the second one, and you have got a middle compartment, which is very essential in all the bags to keep your very, I must say, precious stuffs. So here you get a zip closure where you can keep your mobile, where you can keep your cash, etc. And at the middle section of this bag you get a nice zippered compartment. Again, according to your utility, you can keep things over here. Now talking about this particular compartment, you have got the branding of Dressberry over here, and when we come here, you have got two pockets to keep your mobile phone and to keep your charger. So that was all about this particular bag, about the space of this particular bag. You can see here, I hope the camera shows it clearly. So the inner stuff, the inner thing of the bag is a fabricated stuff, which is again a synthetic fabric, which is not going to tear away. It's a very tough and rough fabric given here, so you need not have to worry about the quality, about the sturdiness of the bag. It's very sturdy. The material used inside the bag too is very sturdy. Now talking about the base of the bag, the base of the bag has got four legs like this. You can keep this bag over any surface. This is actually a structured bag, so the bag looks very nice, very classy and trendy. And again, as I told you, it comes with a sling. Now talking about the next bag, so the next bag which I have bought from Myntra is from the brand Roadster. So you get this bag in this kind of a packaging, which is a fabricated packaging. These type of packaging should not be thrown away. These types of fabricated cotton packaging should actually be kept for keeping the bags in shape, for keeping the bags safe from moisture, etc. So please don't throw away this kind of packaging. So the next bag which I am talking about is in the color blue. So you have got this huge looking bag in the color blue. So basically there are two shades of blue given here. One is the darker one and the another one is a little lighter shade. Now this is a huge looking bag in which you can carry all your essential official stuffs. So and at the same time this bag is very sturdy too. You can see the handle. This handle given here in this bag is a very sturdy one which cannot be bent or cannot be elongated. So this is again made up of PU leather and it is ultra soft. When I compare these two bags, this is a little heavier, not a little heavier, this is heavier and this is on a little coarser side when we feel it, but this is very soft. Now talking about the quality of the bag, the quality again is very nice. It comes from a very nice brand, Roadster. We all must be knowing about the brand Roadster. I mean, we all must have worn at least a t-shirt from the brand. So this is the bag which I am talking about. You can see the detailing over here. Now when you open the bag, you have to open like this and you get a main zip compartment. Now before showing you the main compartment of the bag, you can see at the back side of the bag too you have got a zippered compartment over here which has got a nice rough and tough fabricated inner. So you can keep your essential stuffs over here. We can keep our sanitizer, our hanky, etc over there. And then when you open the middle section of the bag, the zip of the bag is again very sturdy, very nice, and it has a very smooth opening and closure. So this is the huge compartment which you get in this bag. So this one is the first compartment you get here. This one is the second compartment. Again you get a nice zip closure over here in which you can keep again your essential and your very costly stuff over here. When I travel, talking about me, when I travel I tend to open my gold earrings and keep it in my handbag, and I always keep it in this section of my bag. So this is the branding, this is the logo of Roadster that you get here. And talking about the inner fabric, it's again very sturdy as I showed you earlier. So now the middle section, it has got also a middle compartment with this zip closure in which you can keep anything you like. Now talking about this part, you have got two pockets, two huge pockets I must say over here, in which you can keep your mobile phone and your charger. Not only this bag too has got a sling, so whenever you like you can carry this bag as a sling, as a shoulder bag. Now you have got this buckle thing over here and you can adjust it according to your height. So this was all about these two bags which I have picked up from Myntra, from two different brands, that is Roadster and Dressberry. How did you like it? Both the brands are very renowned and they are very easy to be found at Myntra. So you can find various products of these two brands. So the link is given in the description box. Of course I'll give the link of both the bags in the description box. If in case you need any one of them for yourself or both of them for yourself, you can definitely buy them. Both are very budget friendly. The link of the bags are given in the description box. I think right now when I checked them, they were not in stock, but just wishlist them for yourself. If you want these two bags for yourself, you can just wishlist them, and whenever these bags come in stock again, you can buy it for yourself. So that was all in Priyadarshini Talks. See you again in next video. How did you like these two bags? Just do not forget to comment in the comment section. See you in next video. Till then, stay connected to Priyadarshini Talks and do follow me on my Facebook page, Priyadarshini Talks, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram account is again Priyadarshini Talks. There we just chat, we just post shorts, we post shorts related to our YouTube videos, etc etc etc. It's really going to be fun over there. So do support me, do support my channel. Bye bye, take care, love you all, God bless.